Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Smart Locks. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. UltraLock Smart Lock. 360 degrees fingerprint ID, anti-peep keypad, share access remotely, auto unlock and auto lock, smart notifications, micro USB for backup power, keep you secure, DIY installation. Voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Works with IFTTT, compatible with Apple Watch. Number 4. Aibo CN Smart Lock. Up to 150 user codes, easy for guests and families, auto lock upgraded, security smart locks, emergency power supply, LED touchscreen keypad, up to 1 year battery life, super easy to install deadbolts lock, both suitable for left door and right door. The main interface is simple, functional and easy to operate. Number 3. August Smart Lock. Connected right out of the box. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock requires no additional bridge to connect to Wi-Fi, so you get full voice and remote access functionality without the fuss. Requires 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Upgrade your existing lock. Easily attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door, so you can continue to use your existing keys. Number 2. Samtech T-Safely Smart Lock. Easy to install in minutes, with just a Phillips screwdriver. No extra drills needed. No locksmith needed. Door handle is reversible for both left and right-handed doors. The most secured 5-in-1, keyless entry smart door lock, fingerprint, passcode, fob, smartphone, key. Number 1. UFi Security Smart Lock. With its all-new Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control Smart Lock from absolutely anywhere via the UFi Security app. Open Smart Lock using your fingerprint with your phone via the UFi Security app, or by using the keypad or key. Smart Lock Fingerprint Door Lock recognizes your fingerprint in just 0.3 seconds and unlocks your door in 1 second. It's faster than fumbling for your keys.